Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the GlossyBox for April 2020. And if you are unfamiliar with GlossyBox, GlossyBox is a makeup and beauty subscription for $21 a month. And if you signed up for the full year, it cost about $16 to $17 a month, which is a little bit cheaper. They do offer free shipping across the US and it costs $5 to ship to Canada. They are based in Germany and they have location across the UK, Sweden, Norway, and France. The version that I will be unboxing today is the US version. Before we start, I'd like to give you an update on my last month missing item. For the GlossyBox July 2020, I was missing the deluxe size of the Northern Light Soothing Fluid, which retails for $22. I did reach out to GlossyBox in regards to my missing item, and the best they could do was give me a $3 credit to spend on their website. I would prefer GlossyBox replace me with a different credit, as I think their website is still pretty expensive. Even though some of their items are discounted on their website, I still find that the products are still pretty expensive and fairly close to retail price, and the $3 is not going to get me very far. I ended up accepting the $3 credit anyways. It's because it's better than not being compensated at all. Anyways, moving along, I hope that this month I have a better box and I don't have any missing items inside. This is what the outer box looks like when it arrives. I have version number 1. The design for this month's box is quite special as the ribbon is located on the outside of the box, which looks more like a gift box. The first thing I see is a $50 gift card from Serum, which I don't think I will be using. When you first open up the box, there is a brochure, and this month's theme is the birthday edition. So GlossyBox is celebrating its 9th birthday this year. There are actually a few pages in this brochure for this month. The first page tells you all the items that are inside the box, and the next page tells you a little bit about the new skincare that GlossyBox will be releasing. The page after that lists all the exciting new products that they will be coming out with. As usual, the box is nicely wrapped with tissue paper. The content is neatly laid out. I'm surprised that the items are still in place after having to go through the shipping process. The first item I have in the box is from the GlossyBox skincare line, and this is their Eyeboost cream. This cream retails for $18 for subscriber and $23 for non-subscriber. The lightweight and fast-absorbing formula should help reduce eye bags and refresh tired-looking eyes. I like what I hear so far, so I'm looking forward to giving this a try. And some of the key ingredients in this cream is elderflower extract, which helps reduce the appearance of dark circle, eye bright plant extract, which works to refresh tired and puffy eyes, and it also contains red seaweeds, which creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture around the eye area. And the second item I have in the box is the Rebel's Refinery Geo Heart-shaped lip balm in Wildberry. It retails for about $7. This natural lip balm has the highest quality coconut and sweet almond oil to moisten, nourish, and protect your lips, while the vitamin E provides essential antioxidants. This is a really neat product as it is a lip balm in the shape of a heart. Lip balm is an essential product. I don't know about you, but I do go through a lot of lip balm and I really like how adorable this one looks. The third item I have in the box is by JackaBlatch, and it is the Glow Drop Highlighting Primer for the face. This is by a gender-free beauty brand, and it is vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. This is a full-size item, and it retails for $21.35 on their website. This primer should hydrate your skin as you prep your makeup routine or dot it on top of your base as a highlighter. I will actually be putting this item aside as I won't be wearing as much makeup as I would like to. The fourth item I have in the box is a Deep Clean Dry Shampoo by Freeman. I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days and I hate the feeling of having greasy, oily hair. This is a pretty decent travel size, so it should last me for a little while. It retails for $2.99. It is perfect for women on the go. This dry shampoo absorbs all the excess oil and leaves hair fresh, invigorated, and volumized. The added peppermint leaves a cool and refreshing sensation, so you feel energized. The next item I have in the box is by Tangle Teezer, and it is their professional detangling hairbrush. I have heard a lot about this hairbrush when it first came out. A lot of people did say that it did do a pretty good job in detangling your hair. I am actually curious to see if this actually will detangle my hair on pretty bad days, and I am excited to give this a try. This is a full-size item and retails for $12. It is a cult classic loved by everyone, from busy mom to pro hairdresser. This brush is ideal for regular hair types, detangling wet or dry hair with its two-tiered regular flex teeth which glides through the hair with no pulling. It leaves hair super smooth and tangle-free. And the last item I have in the box is by Snowberry, and it is their new Radiance Face Serum. This is actually considered an extra treat that GlossyBox added to this month's box. On the Snowberry website, the full size of this serum for 35 ml retails for $72. This multifunctional super serum is designed to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Perfect for some post-summer care. For those who don't know how to use a serum, you would apply the serum to your face first before you apply your moisturizer. After being a little disappointed in the value of last month's box because I was missing an item, the box I got for this month is a little bit better. It looks like all the items inside the box is something that I will eventually use. Now let's have a look at the total value of this month's box. The first item we have is the Eyeboost cream for $23. The second item was the Glow Drop primer for $21.35. And then we have the heart-shaped lip balm for $7. And then the dry shampoo for $2.99. And then the original detangling hairbrush for $12. So the total value of this box is $66.34. I do like all the items inside this month's box, and I do find them very useful. My favorite items are the Eyeboost cream and the heart-shaped lip balm. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and if you're interested in signing up for GlossyBox, I will leave a link in the description box below for your first box 20% off. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!